Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to apply filters on an entire report here in Looker Studio. Let's begin. Applying filters to an entire report here in Looker Studio, formerly known as Google Data Studio, is a straightforward process that will allow you to control the data that appears across all pages of the report, ensuring consistency and relevance. Now, make sure you are on the edit mode because right now we're on the view mode. Once you have done that, for example, you're going to, if you wanted to add a data, for example, and you wanted to connect your Google Sheets. Now, once you have added the data, for example, this one, now, I don't have any report here, but basically all you have to do, if you have one, click on the resource and go to manage filters. All right. So here, this report does not have any filter added, and obviously we're going to add a filter. Now it's up to you. For example, I'm working on this page right now, on this data. You can of course put in a filter like exclude any data here and select a specific field, for example, record count. And then you can select a condition like maybe equals to, between, greater than or equal, or of course less than or equal, or less than. You have an option here and, okay, which can include another rule that you can add and select a field, all right, record count. And of course you can select another condition which is maybe equal to, all right. It can add as many as conditions and rules as you can, all right. And once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is create a filter, all right? Once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is save, and the filter will be added to your data. Okay? Now you see you have a filter bar on this side. Okay? You see that? And again, you can also add a quick filter here. If you wanted, you can choose a field. You have the filter on the top left corner, which is going to be the filter bar, right? And doing so will definitely enhance the overall quality of your data analysis and decision making. You are now creating a more user-friendly, focused, and efficient reports if you add a filter here on this side and on this section. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.